Alright guys, we are back with another video, and we left off last time with setting up our blend spaces for our character when he's actually holding the weapon. And we're going to do basically the same thing, but we're going to do that with the crouch. We left off here where you had these two tabs. Make sure that you saved this one, and then you can exit it out. We didn't do anything with this one. We can exit that out. But what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to right click. We're going to add our animation blend space. Remember, blend space, not blend space 1D. And then we're going to make sure to choose our rifle anim set pro. Alright, not our anim set movement. Alright, and definitely not what we did before, chose the gun. Alright, so choose your anim set rifle pro, and then we'll just call this rifle underscore crouch underscore idle underscore walk. Alright, and we're going to go into that. And then again, it usually will pop up by itself. You want to like left click on the mouse and then drag it and place it up here. Again, you don't have to, but I think it's much easier to have it all together. And then we actually want to pull up our crouch just for reference, to make sure that we have all the same, because we basically want it to have everything the same. And then you can slide it over here, and then we'll click on this, and then we just want, just like we did before, direction negative 180 degrees, positive 100. We want our grid to be 8, and you'll see it change from 4 to 8 here. See, it went from 4 to 8. Interpolation, I'm sure that was 0, yes. And our speed, and then we have this 0. Keep that at 0 at minimum axis value, and then 300 instead of 600 on the run, on the idle walk run, because we don't want them to go any faster than 300 speed. I'm going to just keep this at 4, our grid, and our interpolation is 0.1. 0.1. And then again, this is 8 this way and 4 this way. Alright, so what we want here, down here, is our crouch. Actually, we'll just type idle. Idle. And there is a lot, so where are you? I seem to always have an issue with finding these. Like, where are you? And it's probably just because I'm rushing. Come on. I've found you before. Good lord. Let's just type crouch. I mean, there's just so many. I mean, do you think it would just be... Alright, there we are. Rifle, crouch, loop. I'm going to drag these all here. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. And another one. Alright. So this is our idle. Now we're gonna go into our let's see if it says crouch walk. Nope. Rifle crouch idle. I just wish they had like a better. All right, so rifle crouch walk forward. So we don't have to do all the way at the top. These shouldn't be too. Do we have a walk backwards? Rifle crouch walk backwards start. We're looking for the loop. Rifle crouch walk backwards. So we're gonna stick this all the way there. Take this one, stick it all the way back over here. And now we're just gonna hook up the 45 degrees. It should be just start. Where are you? Rifle crouch strafe left 45, so we want the 45 there. Rifle strafe right 135 here. Left 135 there. Looking for the 45s. They're just, here we are. We got 45. We got the 35. Right 45. Look backwards. I mean, it's just crazy how they have these. All we need is the strafe. We should be good. Strafe. I think it should just say. Here we are. I'm just looking for the 90. Where are you? I mean, it's crazy how like these naming conventions are. They're like so many. It's either me or I'm having some major issue trying to find these. Good Lord. We need the 90 degrees. But we need crouch, so it's come on. And there's so many. I mean, where the hell are you? There it is. Left. Oh my god. Rifle crouch walk left. And then I think they would have right somehow right next to it, but no, they don't. They go all the way down. Here we are. Rifle crouch walk right. Alright. So shift click it. Start out on the idle. Make sure that they're all the same. I'm gonna bring it up. Then I go into his walk. Make sure he's going the same way. So let's make this is left 45, left 135, backwards. All right. So then let's just check this, and that looks really good. All right. So let's just check walk forward. Right 45, walk right, right 135, and walk backwards. Alright, so click over here. Let's save it. And that was a bit hard finding these. Hopefully you guys didn't have such an issue as I did. But anyways, we got through it. And that is another video down, and the next video we will set it all up to actually show you, you know, add it to our character, and we actually can move them around. All right, so you know, all right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.